So I just gave Evie a bath. Got her all clean. I'm going to trim her nails here in just a little bit. So this is a new pair of suspenders. This is children's, I think it's 30-inch. That'd be about the right size. These could be 36. I had to draw them up quite a bit. But these are adjustable. This was the part right here that I used to adjust. I put a mitten clip right here and one at the chest. Sometimes I put two at the chest to make sure in case one pops off. So that's how her suspender outfit looks. Right now I've put on a size 7 diaper, which fits her well. These are the extra small good night pull-ups that I talked to you about and sent you some links or pictures of the bag. This was the off-brand pull-up that I sent you a picture of. I forget now what they were called, but this is the small medium size. So she can wear those or this size 7 diaper. These are large size Happy Pants. This is a pair of my Stellas that I just brought in here for the video. The larges are a little bit big for her, but the mediums are too small. So I'm going to send some larges and then she'll kind of grow into those. So again, she's got size 7 on. I usually just lift her up like this. You can just unclip the suspenders. On the girls, we put the tabs up here at the top, and then you would just pull the diaper down. Of course, I just gave her a bath, so she's clean and she's not pottied recently. But if she had any stool right here, and as I've told you before, sometimes her stool wants to kind of back up right here and not release from the opening. So I just take a wipe and put it over the top and then just kind of press it like this and then just kind of release the stool out and then it would be in the wipe. Of course, right now I don't really have any because she's not pooping at the moment, but that's how it would work if she was. So again, you just take the wipe, you put it over the opening and you just kind of express it out. The biggest thing is on her skin in the opening, you want to just make sure to push that back in. That's kind of like a prolapse. That does not need to be repaired. I've had that looked at, but sometimes the skin folds in the opening where her poop comes out also wants to come out and just press it back in. Obviously, you use a different wipe for the urinary part back here to wipe her. And you just make sure to wipe both that area and this area, but use different wipes for that. Again, this is the size 7 diaper. So whenever we slide it under her, we want to make sure the tabs come up here to the back. And keep in mind that while you're doing this, you're kind of supporting her back end with your hand that's under here. Then just bring the tabs up like that. Then you'll fold the diaper back one fold and then use the suspenders and clip. And as you can see, she can kind of stand some on her own, but there will be times that she will fall because obviously she can't properly walk in the back end. Then you take this clip and clip it under here. You want to make sure the material of the diaper is folded some so that the clip will hold. Then on the Happy Pants cover, this fuzzy Velcro part you put on the top. You bring the straps over. And again, the size large is a little bit big for her, but the mediums are too small. So she's going to have to kind of grow into this a little bit. You could also attach a mitten clip to the suspender to help hold this on if you wanted to. And so that, if you want to use a pull-up on her, you do not need to separate it at the sides. You can just slip it on as is. So just kind of support her back end. I just put the bottoms of her feet in the palm of my hand and just slide them right in the pull-up holes of the legs. Just pull it like that. There's other ways that you can put it on. She does not like to be on her back, so that is not going to be one way. But sometimes you can do it fairly well with her sitting kind of off to the side like that. But that's just personally how I like to do it. And then I just kind of put her back end up again and clip the bottom.